Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with a beautiful dot mandala with vibrant shades in this MDF board. I'll keep a brass dot in the center. I'll keep micro dots in bamboo green. I'll keep micro dots in greenery. I'll keep micro dots in greenery again. I'll keep smaller dots in light green. I'll keep some dots in light violet. I'll keep tiny dots in brass. I'll keep dots in violet. I'll keep tiny dots in brass. I'll keep dark violet dots. I'll keep tiny dots in brass. I'll keep brass dots. I'll keep brush strokes in bamboo green. I'll keep brush strokes in greenery. I'll keep brush strokes in light green. I'll keep swipes in brass. I'll keep brass dots in oval shape. I'll keep brush strokes in light violet. I'll keep brush strokes in violet. I'll keep brush strokes in dark violet. I'll keep plumpy dots in brass. I'll drag the dots into swipes. I'll keep bigger brass dots now. I'll keep smaller dots in bamboo green. I'll work the dots in bamboo green. I'll keep smaller dots in greenery. I'll work the dots in greenery. I'll keep some dots in light green. I'll work the dots in light green. I'll keep brush strokes in light violet. I'll keep brush strokes in violet. I'll keep brush strokes in dark violet. I'll keep brush strokes in brass. I'll keep greenery dots in floral shape. I'll keep some dots in dark violet. I'll work the dots in violet. I'm sure this mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching.